Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 7, stock reference number 5682. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, Kenwood touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.